Welcome back to Friday Night SmackDown. In 3 days, Triple H faces the WWE Champion Randy Orton at Over the Limit. But up next in our main event, the Viper and the Game will square off on opposite sides in a tag team match.
Well, this match was ordered by our general manager to stir the pot.
But why little Jimmy? Fucking Miz, he hated Archer from the beginning. And if it's Triple H Edge versus Orton Truth, then why the fuck are we in the second one? Set Truth. And he just walks in long, quiet. Boring.
You think you know?
Yeah, we get it. We get it.
So in first, it'll be the Rated R Superstar against our Truth and King.
No, God, that's too hard. Yeah, give me the Jimmy. Give me the Jimmy. Give me the Jimmy.
But that being said, if Triple H wants
Give me the Jimmy. Give me the Jimmy.
He's got to coexist with Edge.
Give me the Jimmy. Give me the Jimmy. Give me the Jimmy.
You can almost see the gears turning.
Fuck you.
Oh man, what impact from that suplex.
Yeah, give me the Jimmy. Give me the Jimmy.
Like that in this match. He's got a split personality, Michael, and I don't like either one of them.
How can I defeat Randy Orton in the ring if you don't even allow me?
And he powers out.
Fan truth. Yeah.
Edge got all that one.
Oh, that's gonna hurt you.
Edge into the headlock.
Oh, hurt you little Jimmy. Hurt you little Jimmy.
Watch out here. Right on the spine.
I prefer the 360 controller. It's quite annoying doing anything else. Oh, did I just fuck you up? Did I fuck you up?
No. Blocked.
Oh, I fucked you up there, motherfucker. Maybe that will fix it. Maybe it'll fix it.
Edge controlling the head. King, in my mind, the big story in just 48 hours is
Oh god, not the downhill stretch. Yeah. Oh, is it me or when you do submissions in the game, it's far easier to win a match? There we go, get the motherfucker in. I wanted to tag in Triple H, what? Are you serious? Really? Fuck your head. Fuck your head.
The Viper squeezing down on the head. And the wherewithal to reverse it. Too slow. And that time he lands it. He makes the
there we go. Finally we get a tag. Axano. Oh my god, he tore his quad. No, more like shooting through his nose, because his nose has been broken. Oh god! Get up, motherfucker!
And now, looking to put him away.
Pedigree time. Pedigree time.
The game hits it. Good
Oh.
Lord, look at the fire.
Oh my god, he got up! Cutscene.
Oh no! The misfits!
The refs called for the
I hit the pedigree, but then I took an arrow to the knee.
done yet.
They're heading to the back.
Fucking misfits. Yeah, where you going, Cody Pussy?
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We finally have a camera in position. Moments ago, Triple H.
Yeah, they were standing still until the camera came into fruition.
And then Triple H chased one of his attackers back here.
Oh god, the big bulldog. I mean, if it was Dolph Ziggler would have no problem, but because Cody has no knee pads, it's very hard to defeat him. His knees are exceptionally powerful. I'm surprised that Cody lasted so long without knee pads. I mean, it just looked wrong that he didn't have knee pads. I wasn't the only one that thought, no, he can't be a main eventer because he looks More like a fucking model. Fucking wrestler. I'm just gonna hit you in this soda machine. Is that alright? Is that alright, motherfucker? Ah, I'm scared. Ah, nah. Screwed you up, bitch. Ah, fine, I'll put you in the door.
See the way that slammed into his face? This is unreal.
I'm not another bulldog, and I'm not gonna get out from that one straight away, am I?
Fury.
Yeah, come to me, Papa. Papa, don't preach. I'm in trouble, babe. Papa, don't preach. Get on there, you bastard. You don't have to press Y as long as you get them onto an object. You don't need to do the Y. Ring!
Oh, that's it.
Wing, wing.
That is it. Over. Come on, guys. There's no need for this.
Well, they're not juice machine. There's no cans. It's a server. They're a secret organization in the WWE that they don't want you to know.
And now, WWE presents
The worst pay-per-view of the year. Quote me if I'm wrong, it is the worst pay-per-view in the year. Can't I just skip it? It's crap. I mean, unless we can do the FU on top of the car, it's a shit pay-per-view.
This contest set for one fall is for the WWE
Championship. And long entrance again. Let me skip. I hear voices in my head and then I kill them lots of time because I understand. WWE Championship. I'm assuming it's not going to be a clean fight. Ah, fuck it. I don't want the long entrance spiel. It's only Tony Schimmel. I mean, if it was William Garcia, maybe I would take an interest.
Right now, one of the greatest rivalries in WWE history writes yet another chapter.
I don't know, Orton Cena was a good rivalry. That's saying something.
Championship against Triple H, who attempts to become a record 17-time world champion.
All his reigns lasted 2 months.
The hairs on my arm are standing straight up. I have no idea who's going to win this.
Well, won't you dare? Happy, 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 honey.
Say they're pretty much evenly divided. Half for the game and half for the Viper.
Dee.
Good in-ring presence shown by the game.
No, fuck you, motherfucker. 10 seconds without speaking, you fucking can't. Fuck you. Oh god.
Not only does that hurt, but the mind
Gesundheit.
what it psychologically does to you. It's almost like I'm the dominant species.
Scoop, slam, I'm gonna be HBK. Feeling the power of Stas Elbow.
How good is this guy?
Suck
you
it.
can practically see the pain in his face right now, thanks to that tremendous move off the ropes.
Breaker. Every time I do that breaker, I was gonna sit off it.
What should we expect?
Spy by Tower Doom.
Triple H.
You're not gonna no sell after I hit the pedigree, are you?
Not this.
Yes, this is the whole point. It's the whole way of winning a match. Pedigree time. Oh, for
Game's going to do it.
and he got up and took an arrow to the knee. Another pedigree. What's in the same spot? Okay. Whoa. Oh god, he tore his quad.
Going after Triple H again. Oh no. Not
Handcuff the dude.
again.
Triple H
Uh-oh.
is ready this time.
Uh-oh.
Ziggler's in trouble
That's
now.
bad. Why did you handcuff yourself? Choke him out. Choke him out.
The game wrenching way back.
Oh god, it's
Oh, no, it's Kane.
spear.
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 Where did Edge come from?
I don't know, Michael, but what a save that was. The match is going to end in disqualification, but for Triple H, this could have been so much worse.
But where's the ref? Where's the ref?